Hey everyone, how are you doing? My name is Marcella Tabares. So today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to get your direct link to your sign up page and how you can start sharing that with your potential teammates. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into avonnow.com. So you'll need your account number and your password to get into your account. This is the first thing you're going to see is your Avon Now backend page. And so what we're going to do is, let's move my little head over here so we can see this easier. You're going to go here where it says My Store. So if you already know the direct link to your online store, skip this part. But if you don't know it, go ahead and click View Store. So once you have that direct link, this is what you're going to see, right? So maybe you also want to share your online store with your clients. This is the link that you're going to share with them, okay? So once you're here, you're going to see here it says become a representative. Go ahead and click that and you will see this awesome page where it talks a little bit more about how awesome it is to be an Avon representative, which you guys know this. But I've noticed that when I'm trying to sign people up, it's easier to just send them to the direct link so they don't have to go around clicking different things and they're not reading different things, or most of the time people are distracted. You need to send them to the direct place where you want them to be. So that's why I then recommend you click here where it says sign up. And as you can see, here is my reference code, Marcella Tabares. So yours is going to be different, whatever you picked as your reference code. But here you can see it says make beauty your business, your Avon advisor, Marcella Tabares. So what I like about this option versus just sending them to the Avon page where then it's going to ask them to put in your reference code is that here there is no mess up if I'm sending them this direct link, because here it's taking them straight to my page and it says your Avon advisor, Marcella Tabares. So there's no hiccup, there's no way they can misspell my name because I am sending them to the direct link. So that's how easy it is. So then what I would do here is I would copy it, and then you can either email that link to yourself so you can save it in your notes, or you could do the same exact process on your cell phone. Here, I'm going to show you how simple it is to save this link to your bookmarks. I'm also going to recommend, please let your potential teammate, your new representative, know that Avon's going to ask them a couple of personal questions, and included in that is for them to include their social security number or their tax ID number. As you know, Avon no longer provides credit, but with them inserting their social security number or tax ID number, if they ever decide to get into leadership similar to what you're doing and they want to build their own team, if they don't put in their social security number or tax ID, Avon is going to take 24% of their bonuses of what they make from leadership. So that's why I highly, highly recommend they put in that information. Avon is not going to do anything with it. If they do forget to put in their social security number and tax ID and they want to get into leadership, go ahead and give Avon a call and they'll give you the steps that you have to do in order to submit and confirm their social security number. But I'm not going to lie, it's kind of an annoying process. You have to it's just a process. So that's why I just recommend that you put in that information, let your representative know, put in that information when Avon asked you for it. So yeah, now let's take a look at my cell phone. I'm going to go ahead and bring that up on the screen now so I can show you how simple it is to bookmark your direct sign up link on your cell phone. So as you see, I'm currently on my Avon online store, which I highly recommend you do the same process to your online store so you have it bookmarked and saved. Okay, so now we're going to go up to the top right where it says become a rep. You see the same page that we saw on the desktop. Click here where it says sign up, and there you have it. You have your direct link. So what you're going to do next is this is what I do for iPhone. I don't know the process for Android. I'm guessing it's the same. You're going to click this little arrow with the box down here. You're going to go up, and here it says add bookmark. So here I'm going to type in for the title Avon sign up. Something simple that I know what it is, right? So now when I click here, bottom, it says Avon sign up. Click it again, it's going to take me to the same thing. So if I'm texting a lead, a prospect, it's very easy and simple to then have that link ready to send to anybody. So I highly recommend you do this. Do this with any other important pages. For example, as I mentioned here, I have my online store always saved so I know where to send, what link to send to people. Alrighty guys, so there you see how simple it is to share your link, save it in your bookmarks on your phone, and just how simple it is to kind of spread the word in regards to Avon. So here you can see some flyers that I created, and I want to share this with you guys. I mean, I created them and I love to help obviously other Avon representatives. So if you want to use these Avon flyers to start really building your team, go ahead and click the link down below in this YouTube video and you will get a link that will take you so you can download these flyers and start using them. So if you actually didn't know about this, this started today. So today is February 5th of 2020, and these are 3 new ways that Avon is letting us bring people to our team. So the first one being this $30 enrollment kit, which is going to bring all of these incredible products, which I love and use every single day. And again, it's $30 with the value of $107, and it also includes 11 Avon books to get your new rep started, a donation to the American Cancer Society of $5 or more, and or completely free. And so you need to know with option 2 and 3, the Avon representative is not going to be given any books or any product, okay? And so I created these 2 different flyers just depending on who you're talking to. If you feel like you want to bring people in with letting them know of the 3 options, or if you want to bring people in kind of with this way where it's a little more visual, I'd say, and it really highlights the free aspect, maybe bring them in with the free aspect. And then obviously I love this one because it shows all the different products that we have, our collaboration with Chi, the fact that we're going to start selling Belief next campaign, our CBD products, which is awesome, the fact that we have toothpaste, toothbrushes, essential oils. So there's just a lot of new and exciting products that I thought would be awesome to highlight here. The 25% discount. And this offer, as far as Avon has let us know, is going to be going on till March 31st. But for now, I say let's run with it. Let's really get motivated, start building our teams. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And again, if you want to use these flyers, please, I highly recommend you do. I kind of did the legwork for you already where I created the flyers for you, so go ahead and use them. Click the link down below. And again, my name is Marcela Tabarez, and feel free to subscribe to this channel too, because I'm always creating training videos and just overall Avon reviews on different products and such. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have an incredible day. Bye.